So hi, in today's tutorial, we are going to see how to create a manual for the Mulesoft project. So for this, I have created a one simple project in which we have a one listener and one transformer. So we are calling this transformer using the flow reference. Basically, this flow reference call this, I mean, sorry, this flow reference call this particular flow. So this is a basic simple project. So I'm going to create a MUnit test cases for this particular flow. So this will ask for the input at the end, and we have to hit this request with the input, and it will automatically create the amino test cases. So if you see that the amino test cases is automatically built for this particular flow. That's so we are going to check the coverage of this amino test cases. Basically, in this similar way, you can make the amino test case for any flow. You have to just click on the flow or right click on the flow, and it will ask for the input. You have to hit from the postman, and it will automatically make the MUnit for that particular. Now let's see the MUnit coverage report. So it is showing the weightage is 100 and showing 50%. Let's see. Okay, so it has covered only this particular. So that's why it is giving the 50%. So this is how we can create a MUnit test kit. The another way is by go to MUnit and create a blank test for this flow. So in this video, we are going to focus on this one. So thank you for watching the video. I hope you understand how to create a MUnit test cases.